Hey guys, working on Honda. Let me see what Honda Accord B6. I'm changing the strut, the front strut. So as you can see here, I'm removing. To remove this one, it was easier for me to remove the lower control arm. So this one got the 3 bolts. Is one here, and one here, and there's the goes over here, and you remove this one. So to remove this one, there's a 14s, and you remove this one 14s, and also you're gonna remove this one right here that is holding the strut. Remove this one is 17, and this one too, I think is 17. Let's make sure. Yeah, it's 17. So so here it is. Okay, so it's number 17. So it goes right here, and what else remove? So you don't have to remove these ones. So as you can see, the bolts, the nuts of the strut on the top, they are number 14. So also you need to remove this one here too. That's number 13. Just remove the clip from here. And this one, it was number 18. So, and what else? So you don't have to disconnect the speed sensor. Just remove it from, from these clips right here. And it is 3/14 on the top. So as you can see, I got my spindle on the top of the transmission jack. So I removed this one because it was easier for me to replace the strut like that. So, and okay, so I think guys, that's it. So it's better if you replace one side, is better to replace both sides, left and right. So yeah, so just get the complete assembly, so it's easier to do that. So yeah, so this is one way to do it. Maybe there's another ways to do it, but for me this one was the easier one. So all right, I hope this video helped you guys. And if you need to remove the CV axle nut, it's at 36. I just removed it, but I didn't have to, so don't remove that one. All right guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.